For this question, you were asked to compare the cost of buying items in a supermarket, for which you would have to take a car, and the cost of buying on the internet. And the person who hesitated between those two options is an architect. She's a freelancer, and going to the supermarket requires 2 hours. That's what you see in this cell here. And it was necessary to account for a revenue per hour, because if she goes to the supermarket, then it's a lost opportunity to make money. And so the calculation was simple. The cost of buying on the internet, the basket by itself was 180 euros plus 10 euros delivery. And then we were looking for the revenue per hour, for which there would be an equivalence between buying in the supermarket and the economic cost of buying on the internet. And the economic cost of buying on the internet, that's the price you would pay for the basket plus the delivery cost. But you would subtract from that cost the revenue you could achieve during the 2 hours that you would save. So we were looking for the economic cost of buying on the internet to be equal to the cost of buying to the supermarket. And I can solve this equation with a functionality which is called the goal seek. In French it's valeur cible, and it's part of the data menu, and there's something which in French is called scenario analysis, but in English it's called the what if analysis. And this valeur cible in French, as I said, is in English goal seek. So you start this function, and then you say that you want to define the cell F14. You would like that cell to be 152.25, and then the cell to be modified is the revenue per hour. And you just ask Excel to solve that simple equation, which it does, and you get that amount of 18,875.